it's a place that gets totally forgotten about. Either it's too small or it's too hard to reach. So we're gonna show you what we did.
Hey Remodelaholics, I'm Justin, this is Cassidy. Welcome back to our channel.
We are hanging out at my parents' house today and we are gonna show you how we updated this cabinet right here above the fridge.
So we are doing this inside of an Ikea kitchen cabinet that is 36 inches wide, 20 inches tall, and 24 inches deep. So we're going to end up subdividing this space into 7 spaces. 6 of them will be 3 inches wide. So the first step that I'm going to take, I have this laminated MDF. It's got a white side on both sides. It's a really nice cabinet grade quality. I need 2 different pieces. First of all, I need some vertical dividers, and those are going to be 21 inches deep, 18 3/8 of an inch tall, and this wood is 1/4 of an inch thick. So I decided to do it 21 inches deep. There is a metal bracket in the bottom of the cabinet to support and airflow for the fridge. So I only went 21 inches deep instead of the full depth of the cabinet. And then the second piece of wood, I need 12 of them. So you could use a miter saw for this project. I'm actually using a table saw because I love my table saw and my workbench that I set up. You can check out that video right here. Okay, so here I have 6 dividers. And then I have 12 spacers. 6 for the bottom and 6 for the top. It's gonna make 7 spaces. So I have this edge mate. It's an iron-on tape that I'm gonna put on the edges that are gonna be visible when you open up the cabinet. All you have to do is iron it on and it kind of glues itself to the edge of the wood. You just need a nice clean edge. Flat and straight and free of dust. So I haven't tried this on MDF. I've used it on particle board, but it should be about the same. Let's just try it out and see what happens. I'll let that dry and I'll do another one. So I'm gonna turn on pretty hot, kind of the hottest setting. So I did ask permission to use this. My wife gave me the okay. This is her iron for the laundry room. I'm gonna have to get one for the shop, but for now, I'm using hers. She's okay with it. Right, honey? You just want it to hang over the edges a little bit, and then we'll come back and we'll file it off. After you iron it on, just let it cool for a couple minutes before you file. I'm gonna see if I can do it on one piece, break it off, and then get 2 pieces out of one strip. So when you're using the file, just kind of hold it at maybe a 30-degree angle and just slowly file off that edge. Alright, there's the first one all done. I'm going to repeat this process 12 times until I have all these little pieces done. Apparently it wasn't even on, so I was a little ahead of myself. And be sure you don't forget to hit the subscribe button, ring the bell. We've got videos every week that we're putting out on how you can improve your home. So this is the cabinet above the fridge. We're gonna start installing these dividers. I'm gonna first put down the bottom pieces and then the top pieces. And I'm gonna use Rapid Fuse by DAP. It bonds to a lot of different surfaces. Because the surface is kind of white and smooth, I think it'll work really nice. And then I'm gonna attack it with a nail and hold it in place as it dries. I did notice that I didn't always have to use a nail. That glue was actually holding up pretty quick and pretty strong. So I only glued the 3-inch top and bottom piece to the cabinet. The middle divider I didn't glue because I wanted that to be able to slide in and out in case I needed a bigger space for bigger items. So just repeat this process, glue on the top, glue on the bottom, put the divider in, and then glue on the next piece until all the pieces are in place. I ended up gluing the last panel to the dividers on the top and bottom and tacking it on with a nail just to hold it while I was gluing. So I thought this glue was actually really nice, really helpful. I have other glues, it's kind of a two-part thing. You put one glue on and then you have to spray it with something else. But this is nice because it's all in one and it really held. Good job, DAP. So this one right here is glued in place. I put a nail in it, it's not gonna move. But these are all adjustable. So if for some reason this space is too narrow for a pan, you can pull it out and have 6 inches instead of 3. So my mother-in-law had some big pots, some big items that we needed to store up there. We had cutting boards, some cookie sheets, some waffle irons, different things like that. So tell us in the comments below, what would you organize in a space like this? Check out our organization playlist. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you in the next video.
I'm helping Justin, I'm holding the wood. And I'm not talking.
She's not talking during the whole recording. No more talking. This is the bloopers.
She did this herself. Okay.